All right, guys, welcome. We have this question from JAMB 1989, question 19, where we are asked to factorize completely y raised to power 3 minus 4xy plus xy raised to power 3 minus 4y. So quickly we dive into this question by writing solution. Now copy out our expression. We have y raised to power 3 minus 4xy plus xy raised to power 3 minus 4y. Now, when given an expression like this, the first step is to collect like terms. So in collecting like terms, we quickly write equal to, write out y raised to power 3 and bring closer to it plus xy raised to power 3 minus 4xy minus 4y. Now we factor out y raised to power 3 from y raised to power 3 plus x y raised to power 3. So we have y raised to power 3, bracket open, 1 plus x bracket close. Now we're left with minus 4xy minus 4y. Now factor out minus y, minus 4y rather. Factor out minus 4y. So we're left with bracket open, x plus 1 bracket close. This ends up giving us bracket open, 1 plus x bracket close, bracket open, y raised to power 3 minus 4y bracket close. However, we need to note that it is very possible for us to further factorize what we have within our second bracket. Therefore, we copy our expression again. Bracket open, 1 plus x bracket close, bracket open, y raised to power 3 minus 4y bracket close. This is equal to bracket open 1 plus x bracket close, and from our second bracket we have bracket open. We factor out y, then we open a bracket and we're left with y raised to power 2 minus 4 bracket close, bracket close. Now solving further, we have bracket open, 1 plus x bracket close, bracket open, y bracket open. We have y squared. 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. So this gives us minus 2 squared, bracket close, bracket close. Now we need to understand that y squared minus 2 squared is a difference of 2 squared expression. Therefore, we have our expression to be equal to bracket open, 1 plus x bracket close, bracket open, y bracket open, y minus 2 bracket close, bracket open, y plus 2 bracket close, bracket close. Finally, this gives us our answers: y bracket open, 1 plus x bracket close, bracket open, y plus 2 bracket close, bracket open, y minus 2 bracket close. Thank you.